Hello students, we are now going to start chapter number 3 of physics, which is the motion in straight line. In this chapter, we will study the few important terms which you know it very well. So first definition, we are going to discuss motion. Motion means an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surrounding with the passage of time. It means that if the body is changing its position with respect to its surrounding with the passage of time is called motion. For example, a car is speeding on road. So car is moving with some speed and it is changing its position. So this car is in the motion. A ship sailing on water. Ship is also changing the position. Similarly, bird flying through air. So this is also the motion. So bird is changing its position. So next term, rest. Rest means when the body is not changing its position with respect to surrounding with the passage of time. For example, a book lying on a desk. Whenever book is lying on a desk, it means that book is not capable to change its position. So the book is in the state of rest. Now next definition is point object. If the position of an object changes by distances much greater than its own size in reasonable duration of time, then the object may be regarded as point object. It means that whenever a body travels a very long distance in comparison to its own size, then the body is said to be point object. For example, a train under a journey of several hundreds kilometers can be regarded as point object. Several hundred. It means that the distance traveled by the train is very large in comparison to the length of the train. Similarly, Earth can be regarded as a point object for studying its motion around the Sun. Earth can be treated as point object because its size is very small in comparison to the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Now next one, types of frame of reference. The coordinate system along with the clock in which the position, displacement, velocity, acceleration of a moving point object can be described is known as frame of reference. It means that frame of reference is a system which is used to measure position and motion of different bodies. This system consists of directions as well as the time machine, which is clock. So the frame of references are of two types. First one, inertial frame of reference. Inertial frame of reference is that which is at rest or in the uniform motion. Similarly, non-inertial frame of reference. The frame of reference attached with the body moving with variable velocity or non-uniform motion is called non-inertial frame of reference. Whenever a frame of reference is accelerating or moving with variable velocity, then this type of frame of reference attached with the body which is moving with the variable velocity is called non-inertial frame of reference. Now next one, distance. Distance means it is the actual path length. It is the actual path length covered by a moving particle or body in a given interval of time. Suppose this is a point A, this is point B, this is point C. A body is moving from point A to B, then B to C. Then what is the actual length of the path traveled by the body? 3. A to B is 3 meter, B to C is 4 meter. So the actual length of the path is 7 meter. So this is the distance.